Hi there. Wow, you have a cool sports car there, little Leo. Oh, it has a remote to control it. Can Sam try it, little Leo? Yay! We can play in turn. It's very nice of you, little Leo. Hi, Ronan. What are you doing here? Come on, join us. Little Leo has a new toy. Little Sam, watch out! No! It hits the tree! Oh, lucky us. The toy is fine. We only need to flip it back. Hey, how come the car runs without the remote? There's the remote. Ronan has the remote. Come on, guys. Don't let him run away with the car. Where does he go? I can't see him. Don't feel guilty, little Sam. It wasn't your fault. And anyway, why don't we call the city heroes? I'm sure they can help us. Let's call them then. Hi, Scott. I hope you're not busy because we need your help now. We need the city heroes. Look, Scott. Ronan runs away with little Leo's new toy to the road. We need to get back the toy. Oh yeah! Patrick the police car and Fred the red fire truck are the right choice for now. Come on, guys, get ready for the duty. Yay! Here we go, guys. Let the heroes do their job. There, Ronan is in the middle of the crowd. We must catch him. Oh no! He makes a wrong turn. What's wrong with it, Pat? Ah, it runs out of battery. That's why it stops running. Okay, it's fixed. Now, let's go to the kids. They must be worried about this toy. Give it a try, little Leo. Thank you, city heroes. We can play the toy again now. Ah, what a day. Goodbye, everyone.